Welcome to our kitchen, where we'll be making a delicious KFC crispy cheesy Zinger burger with fries. Get ready to satisfy your cravings. First, let's marinate the chicken fillets in a secret blend of spices to give them that signature KFC flavor. Next, we'll prepare the crispy coating by combining flour, breadcrumbs, and a special mix of seasonings. Dip the marinated chicken fillets into the coating mixture, ensuring they are fully coated for that perfect crunch. Now, it's time to fry the chicken fillets until they turn golden brown and crispy. While the chicken is frying, let's assemble the Zinger burger. Start with a soft bun and spread a layer of tangy mayo on it. Place a crispy chicken fillet on the bun, followed by a slice of melted cheese for that extra cheesy goodness. Top it off with fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a final drizzle of mayo. The Zinger burger is now complete. To complete the meal, we'll serve the Zinger burger with a side of crispy golden fries.